I think I might even keep my arm like this.
That'll keep it steady. Put your other arm in the air.
Yeah, give me the one arm.
The one arm.
There you go. Because you want to try to have... There we go. I think that's a good angle.
Yay! Zippin Pippin, let's go.
Let's go. The lake is sick. Get a view of that lake.
Greenbay.
How smooth is this going to be? Hands up smooth?
Hope so.
I mean, all the kids
I'm doing it.
Back here.
In the front row anyway.
Front row. Oh, I got destroyed. I got so destroyed.
My poor thighs.
Oh.